All right here we're going to show you how to replace the handle and the lock on a patio door. The first step you'll want to do is take a Phillips screwdriver, do not use a power tool, and unfasten the 2 screws on the interior of the handle. When you're on the second screw, make sure you're holding that back side, that way it doesn't fall and get scuffed up on the ground. Once you have the 2 screws out, you can then remove the handle, the little lock bar, and the back side. This now gives you access to the locking mechanism. There's going to be a screw on the top and on the bottom that you'll want to remove. Once you have these 2 screws removed, you can then remove the locking mechanism, and it should slide right out like so. To put a new one in, everything's already notched out. You just line it up, put it back into place, and you'll line up the holes along the bottom and the top, and you'll reattach the 2 screws. All right, to reinstall the handle, there's a little slotted pin. All right, what you'll want to do is you'll want to line the pin up with the back portion of the handle. Once you have that, you want to hold it. And you'll take this locking bar right here, and it goes right inside this area. Once you have it right there, you just kind of hold it with your thumb. Take the new handle, line it up with the holes, and everything will line up. Once you get there, you'll go ahead and reinstall the screws. I recommend using a Phillips screwdriver because you do not want to over tighten the screws on the handle. So you just want to go hand tight. Once you have it like so, you'll want to check the lock. Now it's not going to move or engage the lock until this button on the inner portion of the lock is pushed in. So once this is pushed in, I'm now able to engage the lock. If I don't push that in, I'm not going to be able to engage the lock. So once you get over here, push it, and it locks smoothly. If for some reason it's getting binded up while locking, there's an adjuster right here. It's a flathead screw. This one right here. If you turn the screw counterclockwise or clockwise, it's going to allow the locks to move in or out, so you can make adjustments there.